Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make double chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the shortening, softened butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, milk, and vanilla extract, and beat them on a medium speed for 5 minutes. Then turn the speeds down to low, and add in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after adding each one. Then beat it on medium speed again for another minute. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix them on low speed until they're almost combined. And add in the chocolate chips and mix them in by hand until they're combined. Then scoop the dough out onto a baking sheet, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches. Then bake them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 2 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make double chocolate chip cookies. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.